Topping up a T-Money card is very easy. All you have to do is find your nearest subway station and look for the machines that look like this. When you walk up to the screen, you're going to select your preferred language and then the blue button, which is the reload button. Then some lights are going to blink on the machine, and so you're going to place your card right there and select the amount of money that you want to top up. I suggest topping up with about 20,000 won at first if you're staying for like a week, and then if anything you can always top up, but I think that's a good amount. Insert your bills, and if you have change to collect, you're going to have to wait on that and not forget that there's money that you need to collect. And then you shouldn't move the card until it's finished reloading, or else it won't go through, and so it will tell you, the screen will tell you that okay, yeah, you can take up your card now. And that's it. It's really simple, and I hope this video helps. So there's an app that I want to recommend to you, and it really does help while you're in Korea, and it goes hand in hand with the T-Money card, and it's called Buka Check. I spelled it wrong, but when you search for it in the app store, it should come up as like Korea Transit Card. The app will tell you how much balance is left on your T-Money card, and it also tells you your recent usage and how much did you use at which stop, and you can convert the currency on it as well. And I think it's just a overall good app to have.